In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Group By feature on Monday.com to sort and organize your boards more efficiently. If your board is starting to feel cluttered or difficult to navigate, grouping is one of the fastest ways to instantly restructure your data and make everything easier to manage. Whether you're organizing tasks by status, assigning work to team members, or sorting by priority, this feature can completely transform how your board looks and functions. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to combine grouping with sort and filter for even more control. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the board you want to organize inside Monday.com. At the top of your board, near the sort and filter options, you'll see a button labeled Group By. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the grouping menu, where you can choose how you want your board items to be organized. The Group By feature works by reorganizing your existing items into sections based on the column you select. Next, choose the column you want to group by. You can group your board by several different column types. For example, you can group by status to see all items categorized by their current progress, such as working on it, done, or stuck. You can group by people to instantly see tasks separated by team member. You can also group by drop-down columns, labels, or other supported column types depending on your board setup. Once you click on the column you want, your board will instantly reorganize itself into grouped sections. Each group will represent one label or value from that column. This happens automatically, and you don't need to move anything manually. Now that your board is grouped, you'll notice small arrows next to each group name. This allows you to collapse or expand each section. If you only want to focus on one status or one team member at a time, simply click the arrow to collapse the other groups. This makes it much easier to focus on specific parts of your workflow without distractions. You can expand everything again just as easily. If at any point you want to return to your original layout, clearing the grouping is simple. Click the Group By button again and then choose Clear. Your board will immediately go back to its default structure. This is great because grouping is not permanent. You can switch between different views depending on what you need at that moment. Now here's where things get even more powerful. You can combine Group By with sort and filter. After grouping your board, try clicking on Sort. You can sort items alphabetically, by date, or by numeric values within each group. This means you're not just organizing by category, but also controlling the order inside those categories. On top of that, you can use filter to show only specific items, such as tasks assigned to a certain person or only items with a particular status. The filter applies on top of your grouping, giving you a highly customized view of your board. This layered approach helps you manage complex projects without overwhelming your screen. Using Group By is especially helpful for project managers, team leads, or anyone handling multiple workflows inside one board. Instead of creating multiple boards or manually rearranging items, you can dynamically restructure your data in seconds. It keeps everything clean, focused, and easy to analyze. And that's how you use Group By on Monday.com to sort and organize your boards. As you can see, it's a simple feature, but when combined with sort and filter, it becomes incredibly powerful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.